Hey y'all! So here goes the long-awaited video that y'all never asked for, that I just keep on talking about in every video that I'm going to do. I asked if y'all wanted it. Y'all never see anything, but I'm still going to do it. It's organizing my leggings, or should I say, how to organize your leggings. This is my first time doing this method, but I'm going to do the roller method to save space. Now, a lot of stuff in here is two drawers full, as y'all can see. And that was a tongue twister. That's why I couldn't get it out. It's some biker shorts in here, new leggings. Yeah, we just gonna dump everything out. And some stuff I'm thinking about selling. Oh, bodysuit. What do you know? Doesn't even belong in here. So these been sitting for, I'm going to say like 3 years. I haven't wore these, and I don't think I plan on wearing them. I think I'm going to sell these. These are Torrid Jeggings. These are in the size 18 short. Yeah, I haven't wore these since I was working in retail. So put them to the side because I think I want to sell them. And same for these. These are Torrid Jeggings, 16 regular. And I wore these a couple times. I think I want to sell these as well. They've been sitting. When stuff sit like that, now I said I'm probably never going to wear them. And then again, I probably think one day, ooh, I need to wear some purple jeggings. Or then again, one day I'll probably reach for them and forget that I'd sold them or gave them away. I did that a lot. Like years later, you start thinking about something that you had and think you still have it. That's the worst. But we're going to put them to the side. Same as for these, but these can be good as dress pants, like dress leggings. These are from, where are they from? Forever 21? Yeah, these are Forever 21 in the 2X. But I think I'm going to sell them. I never wear them. I wore these probably like twice. They have the blue faux leather on the side. They smell so good. Ooh, they smell good. I wonder what detergent this was. Smell good. Because my clothes smell good, but this is a different detergent probably that I used to use. That's how old they are. And they have the faux leather on the back. I'll probably end up selling these as well. Oh, I forgot about these. When did I get these? Well, y'all probably remember from a haul. I probably bought these in the winter. So all the biker shorts I'm going to put first because summer is coming. So I'm going to put the leggings. Well, I'll put the leggings first and then put the biker shorts last so they'll be on top. That's what I meant to say. These I hardly wear, but I wear them to the gym. So these are good for working out. Even though they're see-through. I just have to make sure I wear black underwear and a shirt that cover my butt. Because I didn't realize how see-through they were. And they don't even look like they would be see-through. These from Forever 21. So, let me show y'all the method. And then I'm going to speed it up because I can talk and show y'all all the leggings forever. So, I'm going to just roll them like this. And I'm going to color coordinate them. Do it by color. So, of course, this is pink. So, the black will go first. And then I have some full leather biker shorts. Now, I kind of don't want my faux leather stuff inside the drawers because they tend to get wrinkled. So, I think these are biker shorts as well. Wait. I don't remember having faux suede biker shorts. I don't remember. I know I have faux suede or velvet leggings. These are from Forever 21. I don't remember. I just be buying stuff. Y'all probably remember. Now, I love these. These are one of my favorite. The Stonewash biker shorts from Forever 21. So, I have a few biker shorts in here. So, they'll go on top. And faux leather leggings. I have nowhere to hang them. So, I think I'm going to just do the roller method. They get wrinkled, but once I put them on, the wrinkles come out. So, yeah, I'm going to just speed it up because I'll... like, it's no use to count all of these leggings. And also, I have some that's in the dirty clothes. I believe it's a pair of torrid leggings. And maybe just one pair, just probably torrid leggings. So if y'all notice me struggling with some of the faux leather, is because the material gets stuck together. I don't know, it just gets stuck together and you gotta pry it. So I have three pair of black faux leather leggings so far because I love them so much, and they're all different, and they're all from Forever 21. They're all different. Like some are thinner, some are you know, thicker. I'm trying to get all the black colors and darker colors so they can be last. It's the dark to light. So this will go next after the blacks, and then this one. These are so soft. These are from Walmart. I can just feel them. Ooh, these are the ones my mom gave me. They're brand new, but they were too big for her. These are a size extra large, fitting to a size 17, and they have the mesh paneling. My allergies starting to echo. Mesh paneling on the side. I don't know if y'all can tell. But I didn't even realize they had the mesh paneling. And it is high rise. So we wearing these to the gym. That's what she bought them for, but they're too big. All black. So I had the faux leather, the faux suede or velvet, whatever you want to call it, on this side, and then I have the cottons over here. So these black and white polka dots will start to go on top, and I think I'll have all the lighter colors over here in this drawer. So darker colors over here. I didn't even think I was going to do it like so. I didn't even plan it like that, but this is my second drawer, so this will go on the bottom. Well, this is the middle drawer, and this will go on top. The last drawer is my jeans. We'll probably do that. It's not a lot of jeans. Well, to me, it's not a lot of jeans because I gave a lot away. This is the top drawer, so lighter colors, darker colors. So it worked out good, and I didn't clean it like that. So these will go next. Still never wore any of these. I don't know if y'all remember that little Amazon haul with the yoga leggings. I haven't worn any of them yet, but I will. So we'll do these, and then the blues will go in here, and then we'll start on this drawer. Or should I put I think I'm going to put the biker shorts in here also. Yeah, I'll put the biker shorts because they're the same colors. I'll put the biker shorts in here as well. To the second drawer. So these are all the lighter colors, and I decided to put the biker shorts in with the top drawer because I will reach for those first. So we're going to start still darker to lighter. So now I have blue. I didn't put this blue in that drawer because it's like a lighter blue. I could have, but I decided not to. And I don't wear these a lot, so I'd rather reach for them first. Even though it don't matter what drawer. It really don't matter. If I'm going to wear something, I'm going to wear it. If I'm not, I'm not. It doesn't even matter what drawer it's in. So let me stop lying. I don't wear leggings a lot. And when I do wear them, it's at the gym. or when I'm going somewhere relaxed to like my dad's house, or I'll wear them under my clothes in the winter time, and I wear them under my dresses in the winter also. But in the summer, I'm not wearing no leggings under my dresses. But yeah, the most leggings I wore this year was tourette leggings, and I just bought them because they're so darn comfortable. Or I wear leggings going on vacation. I always have leggings on going to the airport or on the plane because they're so comfortable. But I don't wear them like that, which I should. All these leggings, I should wear them much as possible. But I wear jeans more than I wear leggings. But I wear dresses more than anything. That's my thing. So I don't think I'm going to speed up this part because I'm almost done. So yeah, you basically just do the roller method. And I saved a lot of space. Those drawers was discombobulated, as y'all saw. How I had everything just thrown in there. Ridiculous. But, what is it? So, yeah, this is how I have my clothes when I'm packing, as y'all know. And I have all my tank tops and camis that way also. And crop tops. I do the roller method. It saves a lot of space. I'm going to do it with my denim shorts because I have those all discombobulated. And, you know. So, I have to do better with organizing my clothes. Got the closet out of the way. Got the graphic tees. Y'all saw me organize them. Did that. I didn't do the roller method. I did the fold store method, how they folded at the stores. What else I have to put? I have two drawers full of t-shirts, I believe. Yeah, I do. Ridiculous. And that bodysuit I found, that goes with my camis and things. So it's black, gray, black, anything that's multi with black, but the base color is black, gray, blue, gray, brown, then blue. So this is considered brown. Then blue. Then you have purples. This is more so nude, which will go with like when you get into the lighter colors, the white and all that, but I'm putting it with the browns because there's only one. Now these I don't wear just regular because it just look like skin color. I wear them under my dresses. Well, I wore it under this one skirt that was see-through. Then reds. And I'm going to put all the biker shorts along here. So, wait, I mixed it up. Purple, burgundy, reds. Green comes after blue, so I have to squeeze this green in there. If y'all want to know how I got these color coordinations, I used to work in retail all my life. I worked in retail, so everything is by color. Okay, blue and then green. So these will go with the burgundies and the reds. It's close to purple too. It's all in the same family. So all of my leggings are from Forever 21, Old Navy, Simply Be, Walmart, Torrid. Where else? I believe that's it. I can't think of that other name. They were given to me. Oh no, I don't like the way that folded. I even had to fold these twice and do it like this because the way it folded. These are the biker shorts, so we graduated to the biker shorts. They do need to be lint rolled once I wear them. I think I remember these biker shorts now. Because at first I'm like, when did I get these? Okay. Oh, I forgot about these. The pink. So this will go here. Now, these are the faux leather biker shorts. These are kind of too big, but they still worked out. Okay. This bodysuit, I'm selling these two. Well, 3 pair. Bodysuit going to go in the other drawer. So that's the other drawer is filled to the top. But this is how this one looks. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Woo. So I'm about to take pictures of these and put them on my sites and see how fast they sell. But this took like 15 minutes, I think, if not less. I'm not sure, but anywho, I know y'all didn't ask for this video, but I thought it would be pretty cool to show y'all how to organize y'all leggings. Even though this is my first time ever doing it that way. I usually just fold them. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird me sitting down like this, but I hope the camera wasn't crooked the whole time because I'm looking at it, look like it's crooked. But anywho, yeah, I figured I'll just do the roller method. So if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I organized my leggings using the roller method. Leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Buy my fashion dolls. Oh wait, if y'all watching the premiere, hey y'all. Bye y'all.